Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, July 14th. Time is around 5 GMT. And we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So, my take on the DAX is that we probably did a wave 3 here, and that we are now doing or did a wave 4 to the downside. Remember, as I explained in my weekend analysis, this can also be our high here. This can be the end of a larger cycle to the upside, actually. So if you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. But my main scenario is that for now, this was only a 3, and that we will see more upside in the sense that we can take out this wave 3 high here as a wave 5. Now, there are several ways I think that this could or that this can play out. Yesterday, I gave you 3 scenarios that can play out, in my opinion. Yeah, the first one is we had a quite like recently now we had a quite surprising move in the sense that we first dropped almost 4%, I think, and we immediately followed by an increase of 4%. And so I think this here can be interpreted in several ways. First, I think, yeah, the ABC correction can be over here. So ABC, we reacted perfectly here from the equal leg area. So if you take the length of wave A, wave B, then the area from where your wave C should end as the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. As you can see, impulsive reaction from this area. Now, it could be that, yeah, this wave 5 that we just finished, this wave 5 here, as almost kind of a straight line. As you can see, we are not so far anymore from this top. So this is a scenario that I keep in mind, that this could happen, so that we do not really have the chance anymore for a nice to buy a nice pullback as an ABC, so that we just continue like we did the past 3 days. So that's a possibility. Then, yeah, if you cannot buy the pullback, like what I'm doing now, as this is very strong, I just look at the lower time frame, and I buy like the 5 minutes. But yeah, you should have time for this, of course, to watch your screen whole day, and then I buy the pullbacks in the 5 minutes, and I take quite fast profit, because I also know that this could end here soon. But so there is a probability that we just further go up, and that we do not have the chance anymore to buy the pullback. That's one. Secondly, yeah, there might also be a scenario that we indeed have an ABC pullback, and that we can buy this pullback for more upside. But then I would like to see this as an impulse. I would like to see 5 waves in this structure, and so far I can only see 3. And I think this is the danger, or the trick that they can try. Like, if this stays 3 waves, like then it means it's corrective. Then it means that here we could have or we could be working on WXY pattern as a wave 4. So for instance, that so a WXY would then look like something like this here, that this is the W, this is the X, and then we need a Y. So we have, or let me put it in green, higher degree. So yeah, something like this. So this was our first ABC. Then also in this we have an ABC, like this ABC, and then we have another ABC. So therefore, like if I see only, if we stick with this three waves in this structure, I would be careful with buying the wave 2 here, because we can really, like, yeah, we can really have more of these violent moves, in the sense that we go like this, and that they yeah, that they try to drive us completely crazy. But this is something that we can expect, like another ABC down, and this can be again a very violent move, like the moves we had here. Of course, if you catch them, yeah, very nice moves. But the difficulty here is to catch them. However, like this can also be any other corrective structure. So this could also be like a triangle here, and then they make it as really difficult. It could be A, B, C, D, E, and then the Y is in somewhere here, and then we go up again from here, and the wave 4 is finished here. So I think a lot of possible scenarios for now. It will be a matter of further interpreting the data and finding yeah, the entries that we want to find. So let's have a look here on the 1 hour. Actually, not much has changed on the 1 hour, in the sense that yeah, of course we further moved up. We are now in an area, maybe let's take the 15 minutes. Like we are now in an area from where we can retrace. Like I believe this is our wave 1, this is our wave 2. So our wave 3 should end into this area. Also, if this is corrective, it means that this was our wave A, this was our wave B, and then also our wave C should end here in this area. Now, like, yeah, for a short, this, it can be that we go down again from here, but this is a difficult one to short. First of all, because it can further extend. Remember my first scenario, that we would take out this high here as a wave 5. This could be like, just like we had the past few days. Like there's not much to see in this structure. We are just gradually climbing up, and this can just continue. So therefore, this is a really difficult structure to short, in my opinion. The easiest way would be that this develops into 5 waves, and then we have clearly an impulse. But then what I want to see is, like, this is for me still wave 3. There is no wave 4 in this yet. This is for me still wave 3. Then I want to see a 4 and a 5 that is ending with divergence on the 1 hour. But if we look now to the 1 hour, like yeah, here we could now have a chance of making a wave 4, but yeah, then at least we should take out the divergence low here as a wave 4, and then we should go up again to to print a new high with divergence. Then I would be more confident of shorting this structure here, and then in a later phase buying it as a wave 2. But as long as I do not see this, yeah, then I think it is still possible that this is just corrective, and what will follow is another corrective structure then, and this can be then we can take out this low again. So if you buy then your wave 2 here, it might be that that we simply crush this area again, a bit a similar situation as we had here. Like also here we only had three waves, excuse me. We only had three waves, and so then we tried to buy or I tried to buy the wave 2 here, but this did not work. So also here we did not had any divergence, we did not had 5 waves. So if this is not an impulse, it means that this is not a corrective structure down that can be bought. So, and here, like, the same might play out on a higher level. So yeah, for today, I'm just further monitoring how this will play out. Maybe I buy a bit more, like in the lower time frame, in the 5 minutes, but these are only, this works well as it was very strong the past few days, also yesterday. But of course, know that this now can end any moment, in the sense that we are in a relevant area. We also broke this RSI trend line, but yeah, this this could be an indication that we will have 5 waves now, or that this becomes an impulse in 5 ways. But still, we cannot be sure about this. So yeah, I think it's a matter of interpreting this structure, see what the market gives us, the new data, and then decide on what to do. So this might be a nice opportunity for more upside as this wave 5, but like, I would not be confident on buying here if we only have 3 waves up, which is still the case for now. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you this weekend for a higher time frame analysis. Have a nice day. Bye bye.